Alright, so if we want to either click on the link on my website or go into Google and type Desmos, Desmos. You can get it as an application or you can just run it as software. I'm going to click on it. So if you want to run it as a web-based application, there you are. It works in every browser. It's pretty straightforward. I'll point out a couple of quick highlights. So this is the area where you're going to punch in your equations. There's a keyboard down here where you can add different things. Over here, if you want to create an account, you're welcome to. You don't need it for what I'm going to show you. There's some fun things like global math contest. You can share your graphs. Help is in particularly a good spot, and just over here for some people you might find changing the language useful, but let's go to help for a minute. So in here you will find video tutorials, getting started, everything you need. Okay, if I click on something like tables, for example, let's make a table. It tells me, okay, let's make a table. So we'll click the button, we'll click table, we'll put in some numbers, and you can see really quickly it makes these numbers up. Great, I'm putting some numbers in, so what's that, 8? Okay, and then if you click on this guy, I'm just following the instructions. It says make a line, sure. Boom, there it is. Okay, so the tutorials are really easy to follow. You can make a table like that. You can go in here and you can actually type in y equals 2. So there's my horizontal line. If I put an x on it, y equals 2x, it's direct variation. If I add 5, it moves it up. So it's doing this in real time so you can see exactly what you're doing. If you want to add another graph, you simply click down. Y equals negative 3x plus 5, not 5, let's change that, let's make it 8. Okay, so it draws a second line. Okay, if you click on the lines, you can see where they intersect. You can click on the gears and you can get different information. So if you look at the first line, say I want to copy it or duplicate it, or I want to see a table of values, I can see the table of values here, so I don't actually have to calculate that by hand. There's lots of good little tools here. So this is called Desmos. It's free. There's an application for your phones, iPads, tablets. It's a little bit different, the interface, but it's basically the same. Okay, and I would strongly recommend going in, checking out some of the video tutorials, how to use it. They're all there. Learn Desmos, derivatives, there's lots of different things. It's a very powerful piece of software for what it costs, which is free. You can use it in grade 9, 10, 11, 12. You can use it in your science classes. It's really, really worth exploring. Okay, so thanks for tuning in on that. Please go check it out. It'll be a good thing to have in your tool bag.